Okay, Aileen, this is Jeff back again with the Chang U121. I'm going to go ahead and play it for you so you can get a good sense. A couple things to keep in mind. I'm using a $30 microphone, so please do not expect stellar audio recording. Piano, any piano is notoriously the hardest instrument to record. Every audio engineer will tell you that. So it won't be, a world-class recording, but it will give you an idea of what the dynamic range of the instrument is and kind of how it's functioning. So the first thing I'll do is just play a chromatic scale for you. A little rusty, I apologize for that, but you can hear that every key is working well. Start with some softer things. Bass on the instrument is very powerful. Likewise, treble. All right, so some of the flubbing is me because I'm rusty. But yeah, the piano is really just wonderful to play. So, again, I really enjoyed playing it. It's the action. You ask about the action. And I would say that the action is probably a 3 to a 4. It's a little lighter than I anticipated before, but you can fly really fast on this piano. So... So again, a piano that I really enjoy playing. The recording again is not going to do it justice, But again, at least you'll get a sense. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to record anything else. Thank you.